How to delete browser history on an LG phone. Clearing your browser history on your LG phone can be helpful in troubleshooting some browser issues and in safeguarding holiday shopping surprises. It is also very easy to do. To clear your browser history for Google Chrome, open the Google Chrome browser app. Then tap on the three dots at the top right, tap on History, and tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top left. Then place a check by the type of data you wish to delete, such as browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, etc. Now tap on the drop-down next to Time Range at the top right, and select a period such as last hour, last 24 hours, etc. Then tap on Clear Data at the bottom right. If a pop-up appears showing sites to clear data from, usually sites you visit frequently, tap on Clear. To manually delete one or two sites from your browsing history, open the Google Chrome browser app. Then tap on the three dots at the top right, tap on History, and tap on the X next to the entry you wish to delete. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.